How to use Zoho Desk for beginners. So, what is Zoho Desk? Zoho Desk is a website application that you can use to manage your customer service from. So, it's a customer service management platform, or it's almost a CRM, really. Now, the website revolves around the tickets here. And the tickets are basically the items which belongs to a an inquiry or a request from the customer. Like for example, here we have a ticket, and this ticket is sent via email by Lawrence, which is our customer. And the key information, if you look at over here, the key information is we have the ticket owner, the status, the due date, and the tags. And you have the phone number of the sender. And you have some additional informations that we will cover later on. I think it is important to talk about the workflow of this app first and foremost. Okay, so this app revolves around the tickets once again. Now, uh, all work that we're doing is going to be to close the tickets, to create resolutions and respond to the problems that your customers have by solving the tickets, right? And to do that, you have your agents later, which is your teammate or your employee to you to respond the tickets. They can be assigned to each tickets. So the first step when a ticket appears, okay, so let's click over here. Now, when a ticket appears, it usually contains a complaint, right? Or a question. As we see over here, this is the example ticket by the Zoho Desk by Lawrence over here, but the email may include maybe an inquiry or a request in which you can respond to. Now, before anything, I suggest you to pick the ticket owner, which is basically assigning people to respond the ticket to. So for example, I'm just gonna assign myself to solve this ticket. But if you have a team, which you may very well have a team, you can add them over here. I just haven't added agents or my teammates yet, but you can add them later on. Okay, so after you've added the ticket owner, they can change the status from open to on hold to escalated or closed, depending on the nature of the ticket again. And you can add tags, like for example, this is a callback tag, so uh, maybe the customer needs to be called back, or you can also add a tag containing the types of problems that the tickets refer to. So maybe a sign-in problem, a return policy problem, an inquiry, or a complaint. You name it, you can customize it yourself. And you can choose the product name. As you can see, you can add product later on. Like if this ticket is referring to a specific problem in a specific product out of the lines of product that you have, this is very handy to have. Like for example, if you are running a store, whether it's offline or online, you must have a few products. Let's say you're having a shoe store, so the products settings here is definitely going to be helpful in narrowing down the tickets, like to categorize the tickets. And the skill refers to the skills required to solve the ticket. So, for example, if this is a technical issue, then you might want to add the ticket skills requirement to be technical, or maybe this is a an inquiry. This may not need any skill, or maybe this is a an integration issue, a rather complicated issue. So maybe you want to add like integration skill or project management skill over there. so you can choose the right person to solve the right tickets. Okay, so that is all for the tickets. Now, one thing that is very cool about Zoho Desk is that you can answer the tickets using suggested articles, which is like a template, like a FAQ, so that your agents and yourself can quickly respond to the tickets. So when a ticket appears, you can click to this suggested articles, and then you can click the article that is suggested by Zoho, and you can choose to paste to ticket, as you can see here, and it will load up the article as a reply, and I can send the reply from the article, and after that I can either close the ticket or I can wait for the customer to respond to an answer, hoping that they will have their problem solved. Now, another cool feature is the timer of the ticket. So if you're having a fast-paced product, customer service, like for example, an online store, maybe you can track the speed of your answers to a certain ticket or tickets, and that timing will be added to the analytics, I believe. Okay, so that is the basic functionalities that you can do to a ticket. Essentially, you will want to add attributes as much as possible to the ticket so that you can have the clearest view of the ticket, and the clearest information on the ticket. Now I mentioned articles, right? And that articles will be manually added by you and your team in the knowledge base tab over here. So if we go to the tab next to the ticket, you can see all articles that I have added before. Now, you will want to populate this knowledge base because it will just make your customer service that better, because you know the answers to each repetitive questions, each easy questions easily by as easy as copy and pasting. Like just add maybe the 50 most asked questions. You can add it like this. Go to the blue icon over here, click add article, and you can add articles here like return policy or lifetime guarantee policy or the warranty period or warranty void or maybe some other frequently asked questions by customers in case they haven't read your frequently asked questions on the internet already. So let's just add a return policy here, and you can add return policy. You can add some ad libs on the opening, maybe like, "Hi, thank you for reaching out to us." Now you can add the return policy, and you can add your policies over there and add a little thank you at the end. And once you've published this article, oh yeah, also you can add attachments and SEO. So you can fill in the SEO tab here so that it will be searched better by your team. You can click publish. Oops. And you will have a publishable article. Okay, so let's move on. Now, once you've added the articles containing the things that may be encountered by your agent, you can head over to the customers here on to the CRM side of this website. So you are able to make a few CRM jobs in this app. As you can see in the customers base, I have opened one of the customers that we are having right now. So you can track their tickets, their open tickets and overdue tickets, and their happiness rating that they fill in themselves. And this is just a good way for you to track who are you uh, interacting to and corresponding to the over the period of time, and this is a good CRM to start with and maybe build a communication, especially if your business uh, revolves around communications with your customers. And then we have the analytics. This analytics will fill in by themselves. So Zoho will add data and the data processing on the analytics as you work with the tickets with your team. So you won't have to worry about this. This is very cool for you to put in your maybe customer service evaluation meeting. And you can also track your activities, your team's activities, and you can add activities for everyone to see and join. As you can see, you can add a call, a task, or an event, again, to respond to the tickets. And you have community and social. Community and social is really a way for your agents and your teammates to collaborate in Zoho Desk. So maybe you need a discussion on a problem and one of the ticket, you can do it here. Same thing with social, but the different with social media or the social app tab here is that it will integrate a social platform into your Zoho Desk so you can deliver effective social media support, as you can see over here. And you can also track your chats, maybe your live chats with the customer or your fellow teammate. And we have the IM here. This IM is a premium feature. So all these times I'm talking about Zoho Desk. Zoho Desk is completely free, but you do have the option to choose premium features like this one. For example, this feature will enable you to interact with your customers across different platforms, not just emails. So you can have more streams, and you can enable more options for your customers to contact you from. Okay, so that is pretty much all of the basic stuff in Zoho Desk. I'm sure that you can explore this amazing app by yourself because it does have very powerful tools that we are only touching on the surface here. For example, the knowledge base does have more sophisticated categorization. If you look into it, you can add the categories, you can add the subsections of your answering template, let's say. So, okay, I hope this video helps to start your customer service system in Zoho Desk. Thank you.